O Lord, I cry in my need. In your embrace, my soul shall be free. Save me, O Savior, my heart sings your praise. In your light I find hope through all of my days. Just as Moses lifted the serpent on high, so must the Son of Man be lifted in grace, that all who believe may find life in His grace. The desert the people face venomous fate. Bitten by serpents, they cried at the gates. We have sinned against you, O Lord, hear our plea. Intercede.